Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here. Well, we got it done. We didn't have to call 911, didn't explode, but there you have it. 25.5-inch diameter, 7 inches from the rim to the base, and we'll lose maybe 1/2 inch of that when I carve off the tenon. So it was quite the challenge. One particular thing was the wood did not turn as predicted. In other words, normally a solid piece of wood, little sapwood on each side, heartwood, you can expect the grain texture to be even. It wasn't on this one. Part of that I blame on this sapwood here. I think what happened is this log sat on the ground for an extended period. I don't know, I'm guessing. Because the sapwood is more than just sapwood. It's almost the beginnings of spalting. You can even see there is a little spalt mark here. You may not be able to see it, but there's a little spalt mark there. And that white colored wood that shows up when spalting begins. It's harder too. So every time this would come around, I'd have a different cut happening. But I persevered through it, got it done. So I'm looking forward to finishing the sanding, and I'm not sure how I'm going to finish it yet. Part of me wants to use dyes and put some color into it. Another part of me wants to ebonize it. So I'm preparing an ebonizing solution of vinegar and steel. And so we'll have that available. I have some other pieces of oak I can test it on. But either way, that's quite an impressive bowl. And it's about 3/8 to 7/16 of an inch thick. And it could have been done thinner. It stayed very stable. I was surprised. So I just wanted to do a quick video, show you what we ended up with. So stay tuned. 25.5-inch. Quite the piece of wood. I'm so glad you could stop by and visit with me. I really appreciate it. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.